reptilians. I'm talking about cold-blooded creatures, blue-eyed creatures, blonde-haired creatures. Dealing with a programmed reptilian sleeper, an animal. Cannot use emotions with a reptile. Go tell that to an alligator. Reptilians. And I'm not talking about a snake nigga walking around. I'm talking about cold-blooded creatures. Do y'all understand that? Cold-blooded creatures. Blue-eyed creatures. Blonde-haired creatures. So you go and deal with white boys, oh, how you doing, sir? And being buddy-buddy. They don't have the same emotions you have. They are programmed sleepers. They're not even human. They're a different species from you. It's not a racial thing whatsoever. We have different races within us, but white people is a different fucking species. Different thoughts, they don't have the same heart as you. They're cold, they are more reptilian. You have a 90% human genetics and 10% reptilian. They have a 50-50 split. So you're going to work every day, dealing in this society, say like the police, and you're trying to fight and act, you know, leave him alone or stop or leave me alone or whatever. You cannot use emotions with a reptile. Go tell that to an alligator. You're dealing with a programmed reptilian sleeper, an animal, and they look at you as, okay, let's just say all of us here are reptilians. Should I let humans have whatever the fuck they want? If I was a reptilian, right now standing here, should I just give you your civil rights and all that shit? Should I give you here, here's your reparations. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna kill you. That's what you're dealing with. That's what you're dealing with. Better recognize it. I was telling the brothers the other day, I said, look, I don't do shit for them.
These creatures are experimenting on us. These creatures are harvesting us. These creatures, they know the great weaknesses of our minds, just as they know the great strengths of our minds. They operate in what I call the gray area of human existence, that side of our lives. African tradition says that they engaged God himself in a terrible war, and God defeated them, the real God, Nkulunkulu, the Creator, on the energy that we human beings give them. They make us to fight each other, and when the whole land is drowning in death and fear and terror, when hundreds and hundreds of people are angry and afraid because they eat that, what we call the dark power, which is brought about when human beings destroy the planet on which they live.
Because of those reptilian genetics? But white people have more reptilian genetics than we do. Their pineal gland is really based in the reptilian brain. Our pineal gland is black, our blood is black, their blood is well, like some might say blue. That's why they call themselves blue bloods. And they have a 50-50 split of reptilian genetics, whereas we have a 90% human and 10% reptilian.